What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are finally taking the E46 out for a skid. So we've come to another drift day like we did last time, where they wet the track at Oulton here. So the only changes I've made is I've got the coilovers in now and the CNC71 little adapters in the front, and I've just done an eyeball wheel alignment, just shooting from the hip. I've chucked some 17s on the back because the 18s are like glass, so I'm just using them to get it on and off the trailer. But I do only have half a day here because I've got to get the trailer back to the rental place quite early, so gonna go get started now. It's not actually too busy, which is good, so gonna set the GoPro up in the car now and get started. Right, first lap out. Alrighty guys, hopefully you can hear me. Just did like the first okay lap. I've missed the first part with the GoPro, we got the second part. Feels way different with this lock kit, but it's fucking way better. I'm running way less tire pressure than last time too, so feels a bit more gripped up, even though it is slippery. Definitely feels better. So we'll go for lap 3. Pumped on that.
Did you go?
Alrighty guys, that is feeling so much better. I think it's like, because it's an eyeball wheel alignment, it's still sketchy, but real twitchy, but it's way better, and it feels crazy having way more lock. Because last time I was here, it was just spinning like way earlier than what it is now. So I'm pumped. Alrighty, it's feeling good. I just need to get a hang of the especially on these first couple of corners, like then getting the revs up and like driving over it, because if I'm letting it drop too much it just starts sledging. But super fun. Feels weird, like the feedback on it, like the inputs, I think it's probably just getting used to that CNC adapter thing. So it's good fun though, cutting some serious amount of laps. Alrighty guys, smashing the laps out, but I think on one of those times when I gave it a bit of a clutch kick it started to slip as I took off after spinning out. So I'm just going to keep an eye on that. But we've got like an hour left until we have to leave, so hopefully the clutch holds long enough for that. I might even go and put some more pressure in the rears just to make it easier on it. So fingers crossed my clutch hangs on for another hour. Whew. Man, I'm pumped. Fucked my last lap up though. Fucking typical. But the few laps before that, I think what I was doing early on in the day was like trying to oversteer the kit, those lock adapters. So like the more I actually let it sort of semi-self steer and just guide it, it went way better. Like it wasn't as all over the place. So once I started actually like doing less inputs, it was doing more, if you know what I mean. So I'm super pumped with that. Unfortunately it's their lunch break now, so I'm going to get loaded up on the trailer. He's a bit dirty. I have to tell him the video, but he's pretty fucking dirty. But I'm stoked, and that was off like sort of slapped together, no alignments, no nothing, just eyeballed it, a little bit of tow out on the front. It's good to go, so I might spend a bit more time on it. I know one of the top hats for the coilovers is real stiff, so I don't know whether maybe that's not helping as well. It didn't feel like it then, but I might even just, now that I know it's working good and I'm actually enjoying it, might buy a decent set of coilovers for it, or at least the front. And yeah, so stoked. Whew, I'm pumped on that. So what I might do is actually look at getting booked in on like a dry novice day at Three Sisters, just to try and progress a bit more. Obviously awesome for learning here in the wet, but I just want to try it somewhere where it's got a bit of grip. But before I do that, I think I'm going to have to do a clutch in it because one of the times when I span out and just dropped it in second to pull off, and it was like, it was not good, and it smelled like clutch too. So I took it easy from then on. If I did clutch it, just softly, and it was fine. But I think on a grip day it would just be toast straight away. So let's get this hussy loaded up. Whew, I'm pumped. Probably gonna be it for this video, guys, so just checking it out. I'll catch you in the next one. Hopefully do some more driving again soon. I'm pumped.